How to find your wallet balance on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Checking your wallet balance on Binance lets you quickly see the value of your crypto holdings and available funds. First of all, open the Binance application and sign into your account. After you're logged into the home page of Binance, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Assets button. Inside the Assets tab, you'll see your total balance displayed at the top of the screen. So right now it is 0 in my case, but if you have any balance on your Binance account, it will be shown over there under the estimated total value. So that's how you check your Binance wallet balance anytime from the Assets tab to monitor your funds and manage your portfolio. If the video was helpful to you at all, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.